All right, this is going to be a double Tom Petty lesson right here. At the end, I'm going to have Apartment Song by request. Thanks for that request. And for the beginning part, we're going to get into I Won't Back Down, a finger style thing that kind of has the melody woven in with the chord changes. So I'm going to play a little bit for you and then show you how it goes. So. Okay, so that's the first little part. So we have open and 3 on the B string, and then we have 2 in the bass to little E down here, and then we have to go 4 to 3 on the D to B strings, and then open and 2 on the D and G strings there. So, and then we're gonna go to the D string and the B string, and then we're gonna go. So that was D, G, B strings, and then O2. So 2 on the D, open B string, 4 over here, and then strings, G, D, G. So once again. And here we have 3 again. These two at the same time. Big 2, little open. To the 3 here. To the 4 and 3. That was B string open to 2 on the G. Both 2s on the top there. G to the chord there. 2 more of those. And that's big 2 to B string open. 4. Open, 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 chord, G chord. So. Okay, so you could do that a couple times. Then you got, that's going to be opens on the 3rd and 2nd string. Go to the 1 and back, and 2 and 3, and 1. So you can have a C, couple of G's there. You have a D that'll go to a D sus2. Pull that 2 out of the bottom there, and then it'll do a couple more D's, O2, 3 there, opens, C, and then the second time with a 3 in there, C again, that kind of thing. So the whole thing there would be E minor, D, G. Little ending there, so like dum dee dum da da. So 2 to open on the B, 4 to 2, open to open, G chord. So. All right, I'll play it one more time through. Back Down, Tom Petty. Excellent tune. And I got that arrangement off of Songster, so I'm not sure exactly who did it, but that was a cool arrangement I kind of took and fit into the baritone ukulele here. So let's look at Apartment Song by request. So this is one of those boogie woogie things. We're gonna have like an A chord. So you're kind of doing your A, you got your top 3 strings, mostly the top 2 kind of in this case. You're gonna bring in this 4th fret on the big string there. So you have this little rhythm here. And it's kind of 2 guitars layered over top of each other doing different things, but it's basically this rhythm when it boils down. It's like... Right, so it's that kind of thing. So you got that vamp. So you have those things within the verse there. You get singing. E, back to A. And then I'll go D, A to the E to the A, D to the A to the E, D, A, E to the A, D to the A to the E to the A, and you got that riff. And then it gets quick into a verse, and then pretty soon you got your chorus again. You hold the E. So then you have a chorus that's kind of choppy. It has a little different feel, but it's the same chords and stuff. You got a same groove. You got another verse. Chorus. And this one's gonna be a double chorus. And chorus. You got your riff. So let's break that down a little slower. Let's see how summer. Up, down, down, up, down. All right. The great Tom Petty, Apartment Song by request right there. And I Won't Back Down, kind of fingerstyle version. So thanks a lot for watching, y'all. I got some tabs for this. We'll talk to y'all soon. Let me know if you have any requests. Rest in peace, Tom Petty.